kitchen appliance that will let you whip up delicious recipes even in your daily fast-paced life. Hi everyone, I am Tanvi, and in this video I am going to be talking about the Kent hand blender. The Kent hand blender is powered by a 300 watts motor that allows you to whip, mix, blend and fold ingredients efficiently. The blender features a variable speed control with 5 different speed options. You can go ahead and choose the speed that best suits your purpose. It also has a turbo function that further accelerates the whipping speed. You can choose this option if you're short on time and need your recipe to get done quickly in a few minutes. Along with the blender in the box, you also have a stand that allows you to comfortably place the blender along with its attachment on your kitchen shelves. With the Kent hand blender, you also get multiple beaters and dough hook attachments. You can choose them and keep switching them depending upon whether you want to knead a bread dough, fold a cake batter or whip eggs. The blender also features an easy eject button so that you can easily remove the beater attachments. And it has an overheating protection function. So whether you're an experienced home chef or just an amateur, the Kent hand blender is the perfect addition to your kitchen, not only to whip up delicious recipes, but also to save the time that you spend on kneading dough or whipping cream manually. That's it from me in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.